Chapter number 5, Food Safety. Complete the following chart with the correct information. See here chart is given and you fill up the chart. Food sources, nutrients obtained and function in body. First, jawar, wheat, millet means bajra, rice. From these, which nutrients we obtain? Carbohydrates. And what is the function in body? To provide energy our body. Next, beans and pulses. From that, we get which nutrients? Proteins. And what is the function in body? Growth and repairing the wear and tear of the body. Next, oil, ghee, etc. Which nutrients obtain? Fats. And what is the function in body? To provide energy and functionate the absorption in certain fat soluble vitamins in body. Next, fruit and vegetables. From fruit and vegetables we get which nutrients? Fibers, water, vitamins and minerals. And what is the function in body? To provide resistance to various diseases. All the constituents of food, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, minerals, fibers, and water are necessary for the proper growth of the body. Means for our proper growth of the body, all these nutrients are very important. We get these nutrients from food materials like wheat, jawar, pulses, rice, vegetables, fruit, etc. From where we get these nutrients? Wheat, rice, jawar, bajra, fruits, etc. However, what will happen if these food materials are infected by insects or spoiled in any ways? What will happen if food materials are infected by insects? They will causes harm to the food material. Such food materials won't remain fit for consumption. This will causes food wastage and also economic loss. If we consume such food, we may fall prey or diseases. Food spoilage. Here some pictures are given, events in our surrounding. Factors responsible for food spoilage. Sometimes fruits or their skin turns black. Some fruits gives out a four or a bad odor. Food such foods such foodstuffs are not suitable for us to eat. Best example is banana. After 3 to 4 days, when we buy the banana, the skin of banana is yellow. But after 4 to 5 days, it turns to black. Means that banana is get their skin turns to black. Sometimes naturally available food materials are spoiled by wrong handling, as when they are overcooked or improper storage, stay in a damp places. Means if sometimes food materials are spoiled by wrong handling, means their handling is wrong, then also food is spoiled. One more example is overcooking. If we cook more the food, that will also spoil. And if we store a food or grains in a damp places, then also that food will get spoiled. In such cases, the quality of food materials deteriorates. They may also be spoiled during transportation. Can you give such more examples of food spoilage? See, the more examples of food spoilage are if food can be spoiled if they overripped, Bread can be spoiled by the growth of fungus. Cooked vegetables become slimy if they are kept in a hot and humid condition for a long time. And storage gain can be infected by insects. These are the some examples of food spoilage. On a day out with your friends or family, we enjoy mouth-watering dishes like pani puri, shev puri, pav bhaji, vada pav, pizza, burger. But have you ever given a thought to how or where they were made, where they displayed on served hygienically? What was the sources of the water used for preparing them? Discuss all these matters with your science teachers. Means we are eating outside dishes. For making these dishes, which water they are using, means that water is good or bad. Which fruits in the pictures appear to be good to eat and why? See, here some fruits are given and they are asking, observe this picture and give the answer which fruit is good to eat and why. Now see, this mango is good, grapes, banana, and this apple is good, but this apple is not good for eating because see, the skin of this apple is turned to black. The mangoes, grapes, banana and red apple in the pictures to be good to eat. This is because they appears to be fresh and not spoiled. Hence they cook, hence they look fit for consumption. On the other hand, the wrinkled apple appears to be spoiled as its color and outer structure have changed. Means see, the structure of this apple is changed. Means this apple is not good for eating. Various kind of changes occur in food materials. For example, fruits turns black or change taste, meat become sour or peanuts become rancid. All these changes occur due to factors within these food materials. Means all these changes occur in food materials. Often food grains, etc., produced in farms are damaged due to various reasons, like improper handling. In farm, if we handling is improper, then also grain will spoil. Improper storage, if storage space is damp, then also grains will spoil. Improper transportation, if transportation is not properly, this is also reason for food spoilage, etc. Some foodstuffs like meat and milk are either acidic or alkaline. They may get spoiled due to chemical reaction. Means meat and milk are spoiled. Why? Due to chemical reaction. On contents with metals. Sometimes food tubs may be spoiled due to contaminations by microorganisms or insects from the surrounding air, water or soil. Means whatever microorganisms are present in air or in water or in soil, these also are responsible for food damage or food spoiled.